What's the meaning of abscissa? Abscissa. 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 The abscissa is the horizontal coordinate of a point in a plane Cartesian coordinate system, obtained by measuring parallel to the x-axis. It is the first coordinate in an ordered pair of numbers, such as x, y. The ordinate is the vertical coordinate of a point, obtained by measuring parallel to the y-axis. The abscissa and ordinate together uniquely identify a point in the plane. In other words, the abscissa is the x-coordinate of a point, and the ordinate is the y-coordinate.